Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Eric. Take a look at this project. You want to know how to make this? Follow my step. Three mold. One set of equipment. Take a look. 4 needles. Dispensing at the same time. So you can find out high productivity comes out with our equipment. Here's how it looks like after it's removed from the mold, and then remove the wasted materials. Here you are. And the next step is to change the side. Here's how it looks like. Different colors. If you also want to make this kind of labels, please contact me. My phone number, WhatsApp, WeChat 0013612761334. I'm Eric. Thank you.